Hey, who doesn't love roses? I mean, they are beautiful and some of them smell absolutely divine. So why wouldn't you want to incorporate them into your skincare routine? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you the lowdown on rosehip oil, what it is, how it works, and why it's a strong contender for the title of Queen of Natural Oils, rivaling the ever-popular coconut oil. Of course, I'll also explain all the wonderful benefits for your skin, your hair, and everything in between. Hi, I'm Irene Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin through skincare trends and clean beauty options. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so what are rose hips exactly? Well, you may have guessed they come from the rose plant. They are a vivid orange fruit that is located beneath the rose. It contains nutrient-rich seeds that are pressed along with the fruit to create rosehip oil, and that's what gives the rose or the oil the same color. Now, rosehip oil comes from a wild rose known as the dog rose. It comes from, it's called, the species is called Rosa canina, which is a bush to be exact. And I think it grows in Chile, in South America, but you can find it everywhere. Don't get confused, right? Don't get rosehip confused with rose oil, right? Like rose oils come from the petals. They're not the same. You may not be surprised to learn that rosehip oil is 100% natural. It's free of additives like preservatives, dyes, and fragrances that could irritate your skin. And it is obtained through a cold press method. So yes, there is nothing synthetic in rosehip oil, which is great. Rose hips aren't just made into oil, but the fruit also is, it's edible, so you will find it in teas, jellies, some type of sauce, or even syrups. So yeah, those are some of the few goodies, but don't be surprised. You will find rosehip oil or the fruit in many things that you can actually eat. Since ancient times, rosehip oil has been known for the healing properties, and it has been commonly used for people with sensitive skin. And right now it's trending in skincare because it has a lot of hydrating properties and anti-aging benefits. Rosehip oil contains pretty much every single skin nourishing, anti-aging skincare ingredient that you can imagine. Like seriously. You know what? I am sure that even Cleopatra herself had a supply of this remarkable ingredient on hand. And that's not just my imagination. It is understood that the ancient Egyptians used a rosehip oil as part of their daily skincare routine. So, I mean, this is not surprising, right? Because those Egyptians, they were onto something. Now, the question is, what is it, right, that makes rosehip oil so incredible? First, this is due to the high levels of vitamin A, E, and B, the B group. Rosehip oil is fantastic for healing and regenerating your skin. And this is backed by a 2015 study that found the appearance of scars on participants post-surgery improve after regular use. And it works also on stretch marks the same way. Acne-prone skin also benefits from this oil due to the anti-inflammatory and microbial properties. Rosehip oil has a low comedogenicity. Yeah, I think on the scale it's between just 1 and 2, and that is it's appropriate for oily skin. Now I have to tell you this, I have oily combo and acne prone skin, and I don't use it because I've been traumatized by acne, so I fear that I will break out if I start using oil. So if you are watching this and you have oily skin or acne and are using rosehip oil, please let me know in the comment below, right? In the comment below, how are you doing? What type of oil are you using? What are the results that you are getting? So if it's good for acne, then as you can imagine, it's good for calming inflammation too. Whether you have rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, or other skin issue of the same ilk, rosehip oil is rich in vitamin E and anthocyanin, which is a pigment that gives darker fruits and veggies their lovely natural hues, and then they will work together, and that would suit your skin. Listen, rosehip oil is a very effective natural moisturizer and emollient. By the way, let me tell you, emollients are products used to soften your skin. Moisturizers are products used to add moisture to your skin. Emollients, moisturizers. Emollients, moisturizers. Two different things. So, rosehip oil contains high levels of antioxidants as well as essential fatty acids. Seriously. So, rosehip oil contains high levels of antioxidants as well as essential fatty acids in the form of omega-3 and omega-6, which also softens your skin. And it would also help you strengthen your protective barrier. Plus, there is a lot of vitamin C in rosehip oil, which will even out your skin tone, and it has linoleic acid, which is an essential fatty acid. This powerful combination doesn't only hydrate your skin, but helps you fight free radicals, those that cause skin damage. That's, why people love this oil. Plus, of course, it helps you fight, like fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen production and skin elasticity is also improved with the addition of this natural oil to your skincare routine because of the high levels of vitamin A. In fact, studies show that if you take rosehip oil as a supplement, you can expect to see an improvement in wrinkles and see like a boost of your skin's elasticity and moisture levels in about 8 weeks. Now, keep in mind that this oil is quite delicate and can easily go rancid. So often you will see it mixed with vitamin E oil to improve the shelf life. So you better keep it in your fridge or in a cool, dark place. For your skin, rosehip oil is fantastic. But for your hair and nails, it does wonders. For example, if your scalp is, it happens to be dry or itchy, rosehip oil can moisturize your scalp. And all that you have to do is, add a little oil, a drop, and then you start massaging your scalp as you will do with any other treatment, and you will leave it for half an hour, and then you can wash your hair. Some people leave it, overnight, and that's okay. For your nails, okay, it works wonders because it has omega-3, and it will help you prevent, those the dryness surrounding your nails. It will prevent brittle nails. It's just wonderful. All you have to do, again, is one drop, and then you will massage your cuticle, and you go to bed, and voila. So let me clarify this because I am guilty of this. Rosehip oil is, an oil. So it's often mistaken for being unsuitable for oily or acne-prone skins, but this is not the case. In fact, it's an ideal natural oil for acne-prone skin. It is a dry oil. In other words, it's an oil that is able to cut through other oils, if that makes sense. Like a diamond cut a diamond. On top of that, people with acne can benefit from the high concentration of omega-6 fatty acids. Also known as linoleic acid, this can also help treat hyperpigmentation. And interestingly enough, studies have found that the development of acne is related to a deficiency of this fatty acid. The nutrient-rich content of rosehip oil can also be used to clear up acne scars. Plus, as I said before, rosehip oil is non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. Now, if you have dry skin, either, like generally or just in extreme weather, those fatty acids work twofold, right? Like both, adding and locking in moisture on your skin. And finally, instead of having to look for a combination of different products, right, for your combination skin, well, rosehip oil will adjust to your skin. So you're golden. As you can see, you can reap the natural benefits of rosehip oil, not just on your face, but in your whole body. By the way, Pi has an excellent organic rosehip oil, and it's about as pure as you can get. It's packed with omegas, 3, 6, 7, and 9 that repair your skin. It has antioxidants that will help you protect your skin from further damage. I mean, it's delicious. To use rosehip oil, after cleansing your face, just massage a couple of drops into your face when it's damp. You can use it after your serum, your night serum, and then you continue your night skincare routine as usual. Now, please bear in mind that rosehip oil is not that well studied yet, so it's not recommended for children or women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Also, it's not quite clear how much of the vitamin C is absorbed into the skin. So be careful if you have, diabetics, if you have kidney stones or anemia. What else? Of course, if you have like a surgery that is planned, then stop using the oil at least 2 weeks beforehand, and avoid completely the oil if you have or are using blood clotting medication. What else? I mean, remember that allergic reactions are always possible. That being said, rosehip oil on the whole is considered very safe, and it's unlikely that you will experience some side effects. So I think that if you are in good health, well, you should give it a try. Okay, if you are looking to improve your skincare routine, which I think you are because you are watching this video, well, go to my website beautybycode.com and take the quiz. You're going to find out which acid is best suited for your unique skin type. Hey, that's all for today. Thank you for being here with me, and you know what? I wish you well in whatever crazy project, whatever it is that you are about. Bye for now.
Fire burn inside our hearts that are soaking all the pleasure.